Welcome students, I am Professor Pawar Yasvi from South Sundarbai Manikarjun Polytechnic Ahmednagar. In this session we will learn the prepositions with the help of examples. Here I have already taken 20 examples of preposition. Before that, from the last 3 sessions we learned the preposition, one of the grammar topic of English language, where preposition is used before noun or before pronoun to show the relationship of noun or pronoun to other words of the sentence. Let's see the examples. Here the first example, the journal is dash table. The journal is dash table. In the last session, when we learned the preposition, that time I told if any object is touching to the another object and is above to the another object, that time we use on as a preposition. Journal is on the table and with a physical touch. With a physical touch. So on is a correct preposition here. On is a correct preposition here. For example, I put a book on the table. There is a physical touch between book and the table. So on, there is on correct preposition. There is on correct preposition. Let's turn the next example. The first shift of the factory starts at 7 a.m. When we learn the prepositions, that time I also told when there is a given specific time, we should use at as a preposition. If there is showing a time, before the time we use at as a preposition, because at is a correct preposition before the exact time. Here, when the factory starts at 7 a.m. at 7 a.m. So at is a correct preposition here. The first shift of the factory starts at 7 a.m. So at is a correct preposition here. Let's see the next example. The river is dash the bridge. The river is dash the bridge. Bridge, you know bridge, and river is under the bridge. Under the bridge. So under is a correct preposition here. Under is a correct preposition here. Under is a correct preposition here. Next example, she worked there dash 2 years. When we use a preposition for a group of years, that time we use for as a preposition. For 2 years. For is the correct preposition for that. She worked there dash 2 years. For 2 years. 2 वर्षांसाठी तिने त्या ठिकाणी वर्क केलं. For 2 years. For is a correct preposition here. Next example, the cupboard is made dash imported glass. Dash imported glass. When any object is made from the another or with the element taken from the another object, that time we use of as a preposition, because the cupboard is made of imported glass. With the help of imported glass, the cupboard is made. So there is of is a correct preposition. Of is a correct preposition. Next, he will travel dash a train. In the last session, I told when we travel with the help of any vehicle, any car, any bus, any taxi, that time we use by as a preposition. By. Related to travel, that time we use by is a correct preposition. He traveled by train, or he came here by a plane. That time by is a correct preposition. Next, she cares very much dash her brother. She cares very much dash her brother. Here is caring, and for what? For whom? Her brother. So here is for is a correct preposition. Chasati. She cares very much for her brother. He succeeded dash his hard work. Here is given some reasons and some actions. Here is hard work is action and reason is or because of hard work he becomes succeeded. So because of is a correct preposition. Because of hard work he becomes success. He succeeded because of his hard work. Next example, we are dash the station. Here we learn the prepositions. That time I told if there is given some specific place, that time at is used as a correct preposition. At, we are at the station. We are at the station. Next example, the HR officer kept the file in dash. Sorry, here is answer given in the cupboard. In is a correct. In the cupboard. The HR officer kept the file in the cupboard. Next, the road goes dash the jungle. Here is across is a correct preposition. Across is a correct preposition. Across is a correct preposition. The road goes across the jungle. Next, the climate dash Mahabaleshwar is condition dash health. Path. Here is given health means for health. Here is for is a correct preposition. For must be correct. And climate of Mahabaleshwar. Here is of is a correct preposition. The climate of Mahabaleshwar is a condition for human health or health. Next, you are asked to refer dash the previous documents. Here is some preposition regarding to, some rules, prepositions regarding to. When there is given or there are given some verbs like agree, refer, admit, after that verb we use to as a preposition. Refer, admit, agree. After those verbs, to is a correct preposition. So here is the verb refer. So to is a correct preposition. To is a correct preposition. You are asked to refer to the previous documents. Next one example. The director did not agree. Here is agree. So there is to preposition is used. What are the causes dash global warming? What are the causes dash global warming? Causes of global warming. Of is a correct preposition. Fruits can be cut dash a knife. Here is a knife is an instrument and fruits can be cut with the help of a knife. So with is a correct preposition. With is a correct preposition. Sakshi is suffering dash fever. For example, here is given some disease. So from is a correct preposition. From fever. From fever. The meeting was scheduled dash 10 a.m. dash 12 p.m. dash 12 p.m. So here is 10 a.m. showing the start time of meeting and 12 p.m. is showing the end time of meeting. So there is from is used for the start time of the meeting and to is used from the end time of the meeting. The meeting was scheduled from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Second last example, the donkey fell dash the well. Into the well. So here is into is correct preposition. Into the well. The donkey fell into the well. And last example, I am going to the picnic dash my friends. Dash my friends. Here is company is showing. Company means I went with my friends for the picnic. So with is a correct preposition. With is a correct preposition. In this session, we have seen 20 examples of prepositions and their correct use of prepositions in that sentences. We have taken 20 examples. Those 20 examples is also helpful to write in your manual, because your second practical is write the correct prepositions. Write the correct prepositions or use of the correct prepositions is your second practical. Those 20 sentences must be in your manual. So I hope the prepositions will be understood by you. Thank you very much.